Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on page 245 and 246. The title of our lesson is Conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word such as and, but, or the word or. So and, but, or. That connects the words, phrases, or simple sentences. A compound subject has two or more simple subjects that share the same predicate. The subjects are joined by conjunction, and, or. Let's look at this sentence right here. Sunshine and rain make a rainbow. Sunshine and rain. So you have two subjects. That's why they're called compound subjects. And they're joined together by the conjunction and. So this is the conjunction, and the compound subjects are sunshine and rain. So let's look at the next one. A compound predicate has two or more simple predicates, which are verbs, that share the same subject. They are joined by the conjunction and, or. So let's look at the sentence. Raindrops bend sunlight and divide it. So, raindrops is the subject. It's just written in black right here. But in red, we've got the phrase bend sunlight and divide it. So these are the two verbs that are happening, like bend sunlight and divide it. So these compound predicates are being joined together by this conjunction and. So let's go to the top. A compound sentence contains two or more simple sentences joined by a comma and the conjunction and, or, but, or. Clouds appear solid, comma, but they are made up of water droplets. Okay, so this is a compound sentence. Remember, compound sentences are kind of like two sentences that have been joined together. So clouds, we could say clouds appear solid, period. They are made up of water droplets, period. But they squished these two sentences together and made a compound sentence. Don't forget that you have to have a comma and the conjunction when you have a compound sentence like this. So they're using the conjunction but right here, but it has to have the comma in front of it when you're putting two sentences together like that. Now let's talk about a series. A series of three or more words used as adjectives, adverbs, or direct objects are joined with the conjunction and, or. Commas separate items listed in a series. Rainbows are always red, comma, orange, comma, yellow, comma, green, comma, blue, comma, indigo, comma, and violet. See how we use the conjunction right here? You use that conjunction before the very last word in the series. So again, they put commas in the series of words. Now let's look at the guided practice at the bottom. It says circle each conjunction and underline the words joined by the conjunction. All right, so let's look at the first one. Round or spherical raindrops usually fill a cloud. So the conjunction right here would be or, and the directions say circle each conjunction. So this is the conjunction. And it says underline the words joined by the conjunction. So right here is going to be round or spherical. So what are round or spherical? Let's look right here. Round or spherical raindrops. Raindrops is the subject here. So these are not subjects, but they look like they are something that could describe the subject. So what would describe? Adjective. That's right. So this could be two adjectives. And I'm just going to abbreviate right there. Two adjectives. Number two, water and glass bend light differently. The conjunction right here is the word and. And what is being joined together right here? Water and glass. Okay, so it's not very hard. It's right in the middle of these two. Water and glass bend light differently. What do you think water and glass are? they're the subject. So this is two subjects. All right, number 3. 2 rainbows were reflected brightly and clearly. The conjunction is and. Okay. 2 rainbows were reflected brightly and clearly. It's not the subject because the subject is rainbows. Were is a linking verb, and reflected links it back to the rainbow. But this is brightly and clearly. And if you remember anything about last week, what did we say that was usually ended with an ly? It was adverbs. So this is going to be 2 adverbs. Okay. Number 4. Meghan saw a rainbow and photographed it. Okay, so the conjunction, that's easy to find, is the word and. So Meghan saw a rainbow and photographed it. So these are not 2 sentences. Meghan saw a rainbow could be a sentence, but photographed it would not be a sentence. They're not 2 subjects. It would probably be, let's look right here. Do you think it would probably be predicates? And you're thinking, what is a predicate? Remember, predicate starts at the verb and goes to the end of the sentence. Okay, so Meghan saw a rainbow. Right here, we could say Meghan is the subject, saw a rainbow. That would be the predicate. What if we say Meghan photographed it? That could be a predicate. So right here, you have 2 predicates. That one is really a little bit tricky, so we'll probably see that again in just a little while. Number 5, Meghan photographed the rainbow and the clouds. Okay, so let's find the conjunction. The conjunction is and. Okay, so we got Meghan, who is the subject, photographed is the verb. She photographed what? Rainbow, and she also photographed clouds. So what do you think answers what she photographed? Which one of these things? Sentences, no. No subject is Meghan. Predicates, no. Adjectives. Direct objects. This is 2 direct objects. 2 direct objects. It's the 2 things that she photographed. Okay, number 6. Rainbows are often seen in the summer, but they are rarely seen in the winter. This one's easy. This is one of the ones that I think is really easy because you look for that comma and conjunction. And whenever you see that comma and conjunction, you automatically should know that that's 2 sentences. So this one's 2 sentences. Okay, number 7. Our dog and cat sleep in the same basket together. Okay, the conjunction is and. Okay, so it's joining dog and cat. So what do you think dog and cat are? They're at the beginning of the sentence. What's usually at the beginning of the sentence is the subject. So this is 2 subjects. And the last one, Joe wants a red or blue bicycle. Okay, so or is the conjunction. Now, when you see red or blue, what do you usually think? Which one of these words actually usually can include like colors? It would be adjectives, that's right. So 2 adjectives. Okay, so we've just finished our first page and we're going to flip this over. And you guys are going to work on this also. This one's hard. I'm probably going to see how you guys do on this on your own. Don't forget to flip the paper back over because all your little definitions of a series, a compound subject, a compound predicate, a compound subject, All of those are on your front page. So use that aid that you've got on the front side to help you answer these questions on the back. If you have any questions, just send me a message and I'll try to get back to you, okay? Thank you so much. Talk to you tomorrow.